unbox the February journal junk box with me. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. Today, of course, I'm gonna unbox this beauty right here. If you recall, I actually did an unboxing on my channel back in August of last year. The team actually sent me this box to show y'all. But this time I purchased it myself because I really loved it. Definitely subscribe and stay tuned because I'll be doing an unboxing of each month's box. Of course, this one has the whole Valentine's Day aesthetic. It's my favorite. I was so excited and I had to rip right into this. But they also sent me a few extra goodies to unbox, which I was so excited because I was not expecting it. So thank you so much, Journal Junk Box team. But yes, this one I purchased myself. And if you decide to purchase your own Journal Junk Box, there will be a referral link down below. You get $25 off of your first box. That is insane value. Definitely take a look at that, and without further ado, let's jump right in. So here she is, the Journal Junk Box. It's literally midnight right now. I actually went to the mailbox on my way to dinner and I had this in the car and I've just been like waiting to rip into this. I took a little peek and I ordered the February box, but I'm sure the team sent me another freebie. They actually sent me like the January box too. Like I didn't ask for it, they just sent it, which I am so thankful and so excited because pink is my favorite color. And this box is like all pink and Valentine's Day-ish, which was exactly what I was waiting for. So I kind of like opened it a little bit, but I haven't seen everything that's inside. I have gotten one of these before and I really just wanted to grab another one. So all of your boxes come with some journaling prompts, and these are so great because if you can't think of what to write about, they're right here. These are really nice prompts, and then they tell you what is in the box and some journaling tips. So I really like this, especially if you have a junk journal. This is great to just like save in there. And then there's like a thank you card, and let's see what's in the box. So this already is super cute. I kind of opened it. This was actually inside. There's some sticky notes, and then it's like a welcome card. This is super cute. I'm just gonna grab them, take them out, and then just like go over them individually. This, I'm not sure what it is, but it looks super cute. And then we've got some washi, some pens, and this is so cute. This is a great little journaling element. Stickers. Then a greeting card. Oh, I love these paper packs. They're so great. And then your journal, because the Journal Junk Box always gives you like a journal. This time it's actually 2 of them. That is so cute. So let me go through them. Well, I subscribed to their 6-month pack, so I don't know if this is part of it, their 6-month subscription. So definitely subscribe if you want me to do more unboxing, but this is like a special gift. I don't think it belongs to the February box, but this is so cute. Look at this sticker. My god, my nails chipped. I'm sorry, guys. That is so beautiful. So it's Journal Junk, and then this gorgeous pen. So it says, "A warm and heartfelt welcome, Journal Babe. As a token of our appreciation, we prepared a special gift just for you. Inside the pack, you'll find a pen and a sticker. May this gift inspire and accompany you to create
Countless pages filled with dreams, thoughts, and memories. That is such a nice touch. I love that. This is so sweet. It's like a freebie. Not only do they give you the sticker and the pen, but look at this. It's so cute. I've always wanted one of these big clips. I'm gonna go in order of what's in the box, and it says Forever Love Journal Set. These journals are absolutely beautiful. Look at that art. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. And inside, it's like blank. It's a nice paper too. And this one is the same. Actually a great journal to use. And I was curious about the size. If you're familiar with like the Erin Condren journals, they're pretty similar in size. They're just like a tiny bit thinner, the tiniest bit, and just a little bit longer. They're very similar in size. Have an A5 planner. You can actually probably put it in here. Let me see if you can fit it in an A5. Oh, look, it fits right there. It fits in an A5. If you have like an A5 traveler's journal, it fits in there. It won't fit in your RS Stell, like for you to tuck it in, but if you just keep it like on top here, it closes. Actually, I think I'm gonna keep this one here. It's super cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. This has a permanent home now. Then we have the Rose Garden pen set. And these pens, y'all, oh my god, the designs on them are next level. They're so gorgeous. They have a nice little grip. Look at that. And I've used their pens in their other box, and they're really high quality gel pens. At the end, I'll do like some pen tests. Then we have the vintage Reverie paper pack. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna be able to put this in like in my daily planner, I feel. Oh god, look at this. It's really high quality scrapbook paper. Oh my gosh. I am a sucker for scrapbook paper, and this is the same art on the journal. I love that they match. You had me at pink hearts and red hearts. Valentine's Day decor and the whole Valentine's aesthetic is like my favorite in the world. This is so beautiful. We have the Timeless Love washi tape. Oh my gosh, it's like the same design as the two journals. That is so cute. I love when everything matches. Then it's the Lovestruck sticker collection. Always like my favorite thing in subscription boxes. My favorite thing ever. They're the stickers. They're so beautiful. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How could you not go crazy over those? I love that there's two of each. So there's a design that you really love and you used up. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. This is like a giant like stamp. Like if you make a really big letter for someone on Valentine's Day with a giant envelope, you can totally use that. That is so cute. This is corner sticker. A little scroll corner. Oh, these are so cute. Oh. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love them. XOXO die cut sticky note. These are so adorable. Excellent. And you could even use the back for something. I don't know, I was thinking of packaging. And it's the Love is Kind note card set. And it says it's a set of 3. That's really nice. Love, oh, wow. This one is so pretty. And they all come with their envelopes, so this is super cute. This last thing is, it says it's a travel jewelry organizer. Something I love about this box is that it has like a non-journaling element always in the box. Oh, this is so cute. You can move this around a little. Oh, I love this. It's just a little flimsy, I would say, but I mean, I don't have anything like this, so it's something really nice to have for when you travel. I am so happy with this box. I really definitely think you got your money's worth from the box. I'll leave anything in the description below. Now, this was a bonus box, kind of like January, so they kind of like put it in the same pack that they did, so it wasn't like a second box, which was really great because I got to have both of them at the same time. And this one is so cute as well. So I'm gonna just start with this coloring book that they had. I thought this was a really cute idea, and they're tearaway, that you can tear away the sheets. Pencils. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I need to get like some of those like coloring markers. I think they're alcohol markers. I'm not sure. They're everywhere. They are such beautiful designs.
Also, the shoes, I like them. Peacock books. You can really go crazy with these.
So thankful to the Journal Dunk team because I was not expecting this. They shouldn't even tell me. They just sent it to me. I didn't even purchase it, so it was so sweet that they did this. I feel so touched. But that doesn't change my opinion because I love this box so much. That's why I purchased it. So let me see if there's a card in here that tells me, oh, it's like, I think it's like an extras pack because I have these already. It's not the January box. Sorry, I'm gonna email them to ask, but this was so sweet. I feel like this was part of the January box I saw online. I'm gonna leave in the description below what the things are because I am not sure. This is super cute. I don't know what it is. I'll think about it. This is super cute. I love these cards. You can totally put these in your journal. Oh, this is cute. I think they have like different things from different boxes, which I love these. I've always wanted to have like my own collection. Tags and tickets. Ooh. These are ephemera. Oh, wow. No way. This is so stinking cute. I am so excited that I got this again because these stickers were gorgeous and I just about used them all up. So having another set of this is a really, really great surprise because they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. This one's like my favorite. There's just so many in the corner ones. Oh, these are so cute. Just look. It says the Romantic Collection. Another scrapbooking box. I love scrapbook paper like you have no idea. I have like pads and pads of the Michael's scrapbook paper. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Even like the cover sheet has scrapbook paper on it, and they're double-sided. Oh my. It's like a little scene.
This is so cute. Wow.
I am like blown away by how beautiful this is. And these are handmade embellishments. They're like on like that foam tape, so they stick out. That's really cute. And these are ephemera. Like the other ones, these are actual like stickers, I think. Yeah, these are stickers for sure. Well, adhesive ephemera. This one just says ephemera, so what I'm thinking is that these are not adhesive. Yeah, they don't look adhesive, but they're pretty thick, so they stick out. They're very tactile on your page, and they're glittery. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. They're so glittery. These are so cute. They're like little banners that you can put, like if you're scrapbooking. These are so great for scrapbooking. And these are stickers. Tells you they have 7 designs of each. These are more like a matte finish sticker. They're so cute. These are actually like super great for journaling because they're very thin. You can stick them perfectly on your journal. Oh, this is cute. Put that as in the corner. This little flower shot there, so cute. And then this is a journal. It's a thinner one, and it has like a paper finish to it. This is super cute. Does lay flat. That's some really nice paper too. I would say the paper in this journal, it's probably thicker than the one in the February pack. This one is a little bit thinner, but it feels very buttery, and this one is thicker. So I like that they always have like a mix of paper types. This is cute. There's more pens in here. I know this was part of the January box, so they gave me a mix of different ones. So I'm just gonna test them. Basically gonna test all the pens that they gave me. So I'm gonna start with the pink pen in the Valentine's pack. It doesn't even skip. Look at that. Then this was a freebie. This feels like a ballpoint pen, and this is a ballpoint pen. Still a really nice one though. It's super cute and glittery. But I don't typically use ballpoint pens. And this, I don't know, they're different ones. They say grow, bloom, flourish. These are also ballpoint pens, which I'll be honest, I don't love because I don't have any use for them, and they're not very high quality. So I would say this is the only thing, but everything else is really beautiful. So that was it. What did you think of February's box? I absolutely loved it because, of course, I love all things Valentine's. So definitely check it out. The referral link will be down below for you to sign up for the box. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see an unboxing every single month and more journaling content to come, definitely subscribe so you can see me use all of these materials, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you all so much for being here. Watch this video next. Bye!